Say something.
Something.
It's video.
Oh.
Oh. Listen to you.
Of course it is.
Nobody likes hearing their voice on those things. I always get so shelled up. But my shoulder, I'm seeing fit, strong. I don't really have a preference. Whoever wants to stay the driest, you'll go to the front of the boat. And you guys can load in wherever the heck you want to load in. What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday? Hi, matey. I got one that you'll like, Kara. What is a pirate's favorite letter? You'd think so, but it's the C. Oh, wow.
All right, Carrie, you got cop up front again. I'm tired of getting soaked, dude.
Well, you guys are a bunch of wimps.
Kara, you want to go in swimming?
There'll be some other spots a little closer to the takeout, I'll point out. Not be cold the whole trip.
Is that somebody from your company?
This is somebody from our company. Hey, Justin. Hey, let's try that again. Hold on, I was doing a dopey stare. This guy, probably not. Okay.
I'm following it. Well, no one was talking about the water. The water was nice. I'm not complaining.
You got the hook. Alright. Nobody look. Let her be in peace.
You get shit, baby?
Mama. That's in me.
You're done.
I'm a lawyer, so you know.
Sue me, kill me.
Nothing to ruin your day like
information to have.
Shake on.
And we'll kind of shake our arms out, mentally prepare ourselves. We're going to get back in the action here in just a little bit.
What? Oh,
Nope.
big? Careful.
Do what?
I'm good.
Brody's going to thread the needle. Nope.
You're the only one that threaded it? Nice. Can we paddle up and do it again?
Yeah, stay right in. Very nice. Yeah, you know, when you do it so many years, you got to give yourself challenges. It's not every day I have a boat full of people who actually paddle at the same time and paddle strong.
I was wondering that. Do you have people
And
that
we're gonna
just
keep
like
our eye out.
hardly?
Sorry.
Do you have people that hardly paddle
Oh
at all?
yeah, Lily dippers all mostly.
Oh, these guys are stuck on the rock.
He's heading out. He might be a little bit. We're going to keep an eye on this big rock on our left, looking upstream. If you look to the left side of the river, I think we might have one boat coming down that little waterfall. We're going to stay right where we are in case they do.
Just gonna try to push off.
Oh, yeah. Nice, easy forward down. One of those moments I know we're backwards. And we'll go one big back paddle.
You guys are fun.
So you can see the reason we don't want to swim people in these rapids. There's all these lava rock shells. Pretty shallow. This is never really fun. Coming up here is a rather large wave. It's a lot of work to get into. We're not going to be hard on ourselves if we don't make it, but I would at least like to try. It's not every day I got a group who can. We'll go 2 forward. Take a break, I sure do.
I was going, you were going with me apparently.
What the hell? No shit.
Was that a rock?
Yeah.
Who put that there?
Jake was using your hook. He hooked me. He said if he was going, I was going.
All right, coming up here, we got a little baby rapid. This is going to be one of the best ones of the day because Chin's going to ride the bull up there for this one.
No,
on. Then you can do your screaming
Go
goat.
at the front like Kara. Come on back, Kara.
Come on back, Kara.
Oh, this is going to be good.
I can't slip off though.
Well, don't flip off.
Don't.
I don't want you to.
fall back.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to swim.
Okay, where's
The
my
best thing to do is just tuck your legs underneath the raft. And
Here,
Kara.
Thank you, Kara.
Here, Kara.
That face a little bit.
Oh.
So coming up here, this is our first class 5 of the day. We'll go 2 nice easy forward paddles.
Wait, you introduced.
The old Barlow Trail, part of the Oregon Trail, is cut into this hillside right in front of us. That's an old wagon road.
Oh, nice.
People come down to Maupin. Maupin was originally a ferry town, so people would ferry to and fro. Howard Maupin ran that.
I think they're called gay now. You're not supposed to say fair.
Yes. Thank you.
You're fine right there, babe.
Mo, get back up there. Right the bull. Right here.
That's great. That's okay. We actually like it when she's really low like that.
You're winning right there. You think that's the best off to me.
Let's go. Nice easy forward paddle. Let's go. Nice easy forward paddle. You guys are good. Very nice. And we'll go nice easy forward paddle.
Happy birthday to me!
We'll go forward paddle nice and easy. That blasted off.
Did you get that on tape?
I don't know.
I don't.
I was too busy out.
Yeah.
Coming up here at about half a river mile. This river will flip on its side. It's going to become about 90 to 100 feet deep and 8 feet wide.
Really?
You might have noticed that on your ride. There's a very long, calm, skinny stretch, and that goes 90 feet deep.
Wow.
No problem at all.
There's one guy, Mark Angel. He is Oregon and Washington Pacific Northwest specialist for all sorts of diving, car removal, body removals, stuff like that. He's kind of man. He's one of the only people I've ever heard of, the only person I know of that has actually gone diving in there. And he said there are old wagon carts. There's fishing line the size of like school buses, like massive tangles, fishing line the size of school bus stuff that really freaked him out. He said he'll never go diving in there again.
Yeah, you get tangled up in that, you're in trouble.
Yeah, and that's just to be in a flowing river, 90 feet deep diving.
Yeah.
That's some specialty stuff. They just hit. That's one we're gonna try to surf. Once more, I'll need good, strong, fast paddling. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Let's go forward paddle all together, nice and easy to start. Good. Take a break. Take a break. And forward paddle really strong. Good, good, good. Keep going, really hard, really strong, really hard, really strong. Good, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Really hard now, everything you got, everything you got, everything you got. And stop. And I got you, baby.
You're okay.
You're fine.
Okay.
Look, we're surfing. Look, you got it. Very nice. And nice paddling, you guys.
Kara,
Is Kara all smiles?
Yeah.
There you go. Put it underwater there for a second. Very nice paddling, you guys. That's about my favorite thing to do. Not every day I can do it. That's awesome. Right here, this is White River feeding into the Deschutes, coming off the east side of Mount Hood. The Deschutes actually just got about 3 degrees warmer with the addition of White River.
Really? Really?
We'll go back paddle nice and strong. Sorry.
You're facing the wrong way, Kara.
I think Kara likes rafting. I'm not sure if she likes getting splashed.
I'm not sure I like being down on the front.
We'll go nice, easy forward paddle, catch him back up. And he had to
Somebody
come back with a crew because he needed somebody to run the boat while he was diving and doing this move and make this retrieval. Well, kind of like when we were surfing that boat just a little bit back there and the nose went in and we were taking on water. He's jet boating upstream and he gets caught in the surf and the boat starts taking on water. So he yells to his crew, bail, you know, grab some buckets, start bailing. His crew jumps overboard. He sunk his jet boat right there in White Horse Rapid. Then had to buy a new boat, come back, recover his old boat. Still hasn't gotten the body at this point. Finally, the force that the Deschutes was intentionally dropped to like exceptionally low levels for
So
a
they
couple
could do
hours,
it.
so he could just get in the water.
And how did they do that? There's a dam upstream, I guess?
Yes,
Oh.
yes. Lake Billy Chinook. So you have the Deschutes River, the Crooked River, and the Metolius River all flow into Lake Billy Chinook. Lake Billy Chinook's got a big reservoir, it's got a big dam, a brand new dam that can mix water from the bottom of the reservoir and the top to create the ideal temperature for fish habitat.
Real.
Sounds really cool, sounds really nifty. It's supposed to be at about 56 degrees.
Uh-oh, get ready.
Big rapid, 12 o'clock.
Now you can tell that Caleb and I back here are the most experienced guides on the river right now because we're slow getting into the boat ramp. So when we get there, these young guys have already thrown most of the boats. They've
Already done all the work.
Are these purposely sideways?
They were built that way intentionally.
Okay.
Uh-huh. That was just cool transistors.
I had a friend of mine who's dead.
That's great. Take a break. We're going to get nice and close to this rock. That's okay. No.
Because Ryan loves rock.
I love rock.
Rock on, brother. I don't think we can fit through that one.
Fit through that?
We don't want to go to that posty slot.
You know, if we flip ourselves sideways.
This is the sign that washed out that said people over Shears Falls. I
Oh.
personally don't want to go down Shears Falls today. So we'll all go forward paddle nice and strong. Nice and strong for me. Things are about to get really hectic here at the takeout. I just want to take a quick second and really say thank you guys for paddling so hard for me today.
Thank
I
you.
didn't take it easy on you guys. Nice paddling, nice rafting. And if
Thank
you
you.
I'm glad
had
you
as
did.
much fun as me, then I had twice as much fun as you. We'll go 2 big forward paddles.
Stay back then.
That was a lot. That was a blast. I don't think I can take my kayak down there.
Oh,
Hell no. The Pelican, maybe. Okay, did you have a good time?
That's all that counts.
Was it as much fun as you thought?
Was it more fun than you thought it was going to be?
It was more fun than I thought. Yeah.
Was it as scary as you thought? It wasn't that scary, was it?
It was.
That's all right. Then he said, "Oh, I'll be
A couple times were kind of scary. I was scared when your grandpa went over. It's like I could see him. It's like I couldn't grab him. He was like already gone.
I was scared when the 2 boats collided and you went under.
Yeah, you didn't know where he was.
Like I did, but everyone was like,
Our search.